What are we doing? And why is there a pot on the bench? I'll tell you right away. Some of you may remember a while ago, like actually quite a while ago, did a little science experiment. Just trying to beat the snot out of and age a case in a different way than I've seen before. So, that's what I did. And I wasn't sure what to do with this thing. Now I got a case and bezel, same thing. I didn't have a crown that I was using at the time. It's an OEM case, but like it's an SRPD case. As you can see, it's a push-pull crown. So what I was thinking is, I've got kind of a crappy steel, whatchamacallit, chapter ring here. I'm going to clean this up. I have the hardware off of this strap, and I'm going to, and a crown, an OEM crown. And I think what I'm going to do is try to replicate this so everything matches. All the hardware and everything matches on the strap. I think I'm going to use this, and for a dial, I've got one of these. I'm a fan of this guy, so I almost feel bad for this one, but it's a really cool dial. Very cool, like 3D texture on that. But won't be doing that very many times. Getting rid of them. This is how I'm gonna do it. So anyhow, this is what we're doing. I'm just gonna slap you guys. Oh, by the way, and I'm gonna throw in an OEM Hardlex. Now the reason I'm gonna put in a Hardlex this time is because this case is all distressed, right? So I'm going to want it to be able to, you know, I guess mark up a little bit, and whoever wants it, owns it, whatever, can always hit it with some polywatch and take the scratches out if they should choose. But I think it's going to look good as it's going to look better, even better as it wears. So first things first, I'm going to take my fingerprints off of there, because if I hit it with a torch, it's going to burn my prints right into it. I would like I don't really want the surfaces to be perfectly clean, because that way they, you know, they do different things, right? But the other pieces are brushed, so I think we'll be able to get away with it. I will bring you guys in here. I'm just going to do this right here on my bench. Put that there so it holds it. Put that there so it holds it. And I'll get some pliers so I can hold the stem and hold things as I need it. And I'm going to put you guys on a bit of a time lapse, because this may take me a few minutes, but might be interesting to watch. We'll see. That turned out quite well, I'd say. I was doing my damnedest to make sure I was heating it unevenly. You know, that way you're not going to get it perfect, but I'd say that works out quite well. Look at these pieces. And we'll get rid of our pot. Done with our foraging for the day. Now look what we're left with. How about that, you guys? Well, I'm just going to put this together really quick first, and then we can carry on to the rest. That's why we outsmarted the monkeys. I love it when a plan comes together. Now, if you don't know the guy on this dial, the name on that dial, you need to look him up. He writes really good books. I've read a lot of his books. Loves cars, loves watches, and one of those watches, not a Seiko, but the original, the real one, is in every one of his books. Always wanted an orange-faced Doxa. I think probably because of him. All right, let's get some hand setting stuff. We need to clip some dial feet. So we need the top ones. Can you see? See where the hole goes? The top ones are lined up for the 3. Gonna clip these, be back. I'm not even sure if that's loom on there or if it's just a blank dial. You know what? Out of curiosity, let's find out. Yep, there's nothing there. That's kind of what I thought. That's okay. There's loom on the hands, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure there's loom on these hands. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's nowhere near on, though. There, that's better. Spacing's looking good. All right, time to clean, because yeah, these things are filthy. Filthy. Sorry about it. I'll speed it up maybe for you guys. Oh, at least they come in clean real nicely. Check our spacing. That needs to come down a bit more. See it. That's better. I can see it now. I can see it now. See that? Much better. All right, now more cleaning. There we go. It's on. And now, more cleaning. Yeah, we're good there. Yeah, we are good there. Looking good. Alrighty. You guys, I was all excited and just realized what I did wrong. Can anybody tell me? Class? Anybody tell me what I did wrong? 3/8 case, 3 o'clock crown. I cut the legs off at the wrong place. What a rookie maneuver. Just got super excited. What can I say? What was that? Sorry, I don't know what just happened there. Anyway, let's just carry on like nothing happened, shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Why are you gonna go fight me now? Now you're gonna go fight me, eh? Alrighty. we go, there we go. That looks super good, actually. I'm thinking this whole thing's gonna look good. Once we're done. All right. Looking swanky. Looking like you think it's ready to go out and buckle some swashes, or even swash some buckles. Yeah, push-pull crown. It's push-pulling. What are we forgetting to do here? Okay, well, back to the time lapse. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I mean, sorry, but I need a sip of coffee here. All right, enough of this shite, eh? Let's get this thing put together. I mean, we've wasted enough time. The slow-mo stuff was fun, or the time-lapse, I mean, but... Oh, come on, you. But... Okay. Well, that's looking pretty good, and it's working exactly how I expected. You know, it's a little bit rough, which, you know, has like, oh, there's a rough spot, but otherwise it works really good. All right, there's the one I was looking for before. It's a flat one, OEM. It's got a couple scratches on it, that's why it's never been used. So, perfect for this build. Wunderbar. All right, now let's just quickly get it on the strap. Get it on the strap. And we'll have a final look-see. And a final loom shot, which that's not going to be terribly impressive on this guy. But this is as close as I've come so far to a brass watch. Well, that isn't a brass watch, I guess. All right, there she is. Looking swanky. I like that. Yeah, I like that dial. I like that texture to it. That's pretty dang cool. I likes it. I don't expect, yeah, it's gonna be just the hands for loom. And that's not even gonna be much, is it, since they're all vintagey, but it's something. It's something. You can see it. Well, you guys, that's it. I was gonna say, oh, just a quick build today, but son of a gun, that was not a quick build, was it? That was a bunch of screwing around. But hey, that happens too. Especially when you're trying to do something different. But, I have to say, that is definitely something different. Hope y'all like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Cheers, y'all. Love you. Take care. See you again.